Hey guys, John Hunter, your mortgage hunter, coming back to get another weekly rate update. This one for April 4th, 2025. So April is here, first quarter is over, and so far it is not disappointing. This week, we have the tariff announcements that the whole market is absolutely, sky is falling, right? It is the event that I've been talking about, I believe, the tipping point to lower rates and a shift in this environment. So rates are slightly lower this week. We have the 30-year 5.875 to about 6.25. We have the 15-year 5.25 to about 6.25. We have FHA 5.75 to about 6.625. VA 5.625 to about 6.5. Down payment assistance 6 1/8 to about 7.375. Remember, guys, these rates are based on loan amount, loan type, credit score, property type, whether you're a first-time home buyer, income limits. There's just a lot of variables. If you want an individual quote, feel free to reach out to me, and I would be glad to give that to you. Tariffs, I believe, are that black swan event. It doesn't really meet the requirements for a black swan event, but it's kind of what I was talking about. There would be some event that started the ball rolling, and I believe this is it. So the market pretty much freaked out in the last couple days. We haven't seen that completely trickle down to rates yet. I believe the market is just holding back just a little bit, waiting to see if the tariffs get backtracked a little bit. They back off on that, and then the market rebounds. It just happened a few times. So I think they're just a little bit of wait and see to see if it sticks. But I believe it's going to. All of the other recession red flags have been going off for a while. I think this is definitely the beginning of it. Powell talked this morning actually, and he still has this, we're going to wait and see what's happening. But hey, this is really bad for the economy, and this is going to create inflation in the short term, which is the key here, right? Tariffs typically do not create inflation long term. It's a very short term, like a one-time deal, and then it stops. Inflation that lasts and persists is really the problem. It's not a one-time deal, which I honestly think that the track record shows that although you can see little spikes here and there, overall, it doesn't create terrible inflation long-term. So I think that is going to get squashed pretty quickly, which is going to be great for rates. I believe they're going to walk back a lot of these tariffs over time, and overall, it's going to be great for the American economy. But in the short term, there might be a little bit of pain here, which Trump has been warning. We need to go through a little pain, no gain, right? To get to the other side. I think the immediate effect that people are going to feel is lower borrowing costs. Your credit card payments are going to go down. The interest rates are going to go down. Home equity lines of credit, mortgage rates. It's going to help a lot of people in a lot of ways. Not that people are going to be unharmed, but I think in the long haul, a lot more people are going to be helped by this than are going to be hurt. I know with mortgage rates, and if you're interested in buying a house, it all is going to be a welcomed relief. And I believe if you're looking at refinancing, that's even a possibility. You want to pull some equity out of your house. That time is here. It's going to get more and more attractive as we get into the spring here. And that starts to take effect. So one great thing this week is the market is now betting on more rate cuts, right? Up like 2 weeks ago, the Fed was saying 0 to 2 rate cuts this year, right? Now the market is betting 4 to 5 rate cuts this year in this short amount of time, right? And there's a 40% chance it's going to happen May 7th. I think it's actually much higher than that. It's going to, as we get closer, be much higher. And they're banking 100% chance of a June cut. So I think we're in for a little bit of a ride here. And it's finally, like I said, that tipping point is occurring. I think this is it. So buckle up. Don't look at your 401k for a little bit, but rates are coming down. And I think next week, as this settles in and they see that there isn't going to be a real bounce back, I think we're going to see the rates drop more than the little bit that we've seen in the last couple of weeks. I think we could be looking at solidly into the 5s, which, fingers crossed for everybody's sake. I'm hoping that happens. So, hey guys, I hope this helps. Come back next week. This drama is continuing to play out. If you want to make sense of it, I'm here to help you. Feel free to give me a call. Ping me if you have any questions, and I can answer any that you have. And hey, if you want to get pre-approved, you're looking at pulling some cash out, I'm your guy. So John Hunter, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.